All right. I want to look at some homework-like problems. So I was going to do number 28 on page 545, but I looked at it and it's this exact function. It's a pretty weird coincidence, but it's like we already did that. And then there's a lot of things that just look similar. So I just made up my own problem, but I'm following the directions from 27 to 31. So it's related to your homework, but I actually just grabbed a function from a different problem. All right, so, but what it says in the directions here, just find the velocity vector and the acceleration vector. So that's pretty straightforward. Now I'm adding in a little extra bit. I want to find the speed at t equals 2 because some of your homework problems ask you to do this. So I think from what we've discussed now, it's going to be pretty easy. So we're going to say the velocity vector is equal to the derivative of the position vector. They use r for position vector. It's not a bad idea. It's fairly common. All right, so I just do the derivative of these things. Like this is so easy, 6t minus 2. 1 goes away. Chain rule here, so it's going to be negative pi sine of pi t, right? So just doing a derivative there. Yep. And then the acceleration at time t is r double prime of t. So I just do the derivative of this. So I have 6. And then let's see, it's going to be negative pi squared cosine of pi t. Ta-da, that's it. Easy peasy. All right, so then here's my extra bit. Find the speed at time t equals 2. So the magnitude of the velocity vector at 2 is what that is, the speed at time t equals 2. So I just find, well, let's do it this way. So I'm going to say it's the absolute value of the vector. So let's just go ahead and put in, the 2 here. So what we're going to have, 12 minus 4 is 8. And then here, let's see, cosine of 2 pi is 1, plus 1 is 2. So the vector is 8, 2. All right, so that's just v of 2, plugging in 2 for that. Oh, did I plug into the wrong one? Oh, I totally plugged into the position. Nuts. All right, let's try it again. All right, so I'm going to plug in 2 to the velocity function because it's absolute value of velocity. All right, so I'm going to have 12 minus 2 is 10. And then I'm going to have sine of 2 pi, which is 0. So it's 10, 0. Oh, what could be easier than that? So I'm going to go ahead and write out the formula, but I wouldn't have to. Square root of 10 squared plus 0 squared, but obviously it's going to be 10. All right, that's it. What is your homework, you wonder? Well, here's your homework right there. So, of course, that's going to be posted in various places. Are you going to get your homework done on time? Well, never does his homework. Do you, fella? What are you sniffing my pens for? Say hi to the nice kids. Hey, fella.